Algebra 2. This is Chapter 5, Section 8. This is going to be solving equations containing radicals, but this is going to be an example 1 that does not work. And I want to show it to you graphically as well as mathematically. So first step is we want to square both sides to get rid of our first radical. And so this is going to be x minus 12 is going to be equal to, and to square this other side, well, you'd have to FOIL, if you don't remember your formula here. So FOILing 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative square root of x is minus 2 square roots of x. Minus square root of x times 2 is minus 2 square roots of x. And minus square root of x times minus square root of x is a positive x. So x plus 12 is going to be equal to 4 minus 4 square roots of x plus x. Or if you did your formulas, 2 squared is 4, square root of x squared is x, and 2 times the square root of x times 2 is 4 square roots of x. Then you want to get x by itself. So I'm going to, or you want to get the square root of x by itself so you can square both sides again. So I'm going to subtract 4 here and subtract 4 over here. And somehow my minus sign became a plus sign, so let me fix that. And I want to subtract the x from both sides. So that would be minus 16 is equal to minus 4 square roots of x. Then you want to divide both sides by negative 4 to get the square root of x by itself. And so you get 4 is equal to the square root of x, or 16 is equal to x. At this point, it all seems great. So then you want to substitute back in and see what you get. So you have the square root of 16 minus 12 is equal to 2 minus the square root of 16. So 16 minus 12 would be the square root of 4 is equal to 2 minus 4. And here you get 2 is equal to negative 2, and this is when it doesn't work. This is not true, so our answer is not 16. There is no solution to this. So let's look at that graphically. So if I bring this down and I put the two sides of the equation, remember we had our equation which was, let me go back up and copy that again, square root of x minus 12. So the square root of x minus 12, and we said that was equal to 2 minus the square root of x. 2 minus the square root of x. So if I take these two parts, I want to see when they're equal, which means I want to see when they cross. So if I'm going to take the first one and put it in my y equals on line 1, and then I'm going to take the second part, and that should be a 2, shouldn't it? I have a 3. Let me down. Oops. Go to the right machine here and go down and change that to a 2. So 2 square roots minus, or 2 minus square root of x, and square root of x minus 12. And if I were to graph that, you're going to see I'm going to get two curves, two half curves, and the two half curves are never going to cross. And since they never cross, there is no solution. So graphically, no solution. These two half curves don't cross. And mathematically, when you get 16 for a solution, 16 does not work. So this is a no solution